Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go without a physical joystick. Many players seek ways to enjoy the game from home, or when physical movement is not possible. We will explore several software-based approaches that allow you to simulate your location and movement within the game world. This can open up new possibilities for catching Pokémon, visiting Pokéstops, and battling in gyms, all from the comfort of your chosen location. One primary method involves GPS spoofing applications. These tools allow your device to report a false GPS location to Pokémon Go. Essentially, your phone believes it is in a different place, and the game follows suit. You can then use on-screen controls within the spoofing app to virtually move your character around the map, interacting with game elements as if you were physically there. This technique is widely used for remote play. Within many GPS spoofing applications, you will find a virtual joystick feature. This allows you to control your character's movement on the map, simulating walking or running. However, it is crucial to respect the game's cooldown timers. Moving too quickly over long distances, for example, from New York to Tokyo in 5 minutes, will likely result in a temporary soft ban, preventing you from interacting with the game for a period, often up to 2 hours. While playing Pokémon Go without a physical joystick offers convenience, it comes with inherent risks. Using third-party applications to manipulate your location violates the game's terms of service and can lead to warnings, temporary suspensions, or even permanent bans of your account. Always research and choose reputable software, and use these methods sparingly and responsibly to minimize the chances of detection and ensure a fair and enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.